You don't remember every tool you've used, but you do remember the one that never let you down. The one that you could count on to get the job done every time. Since 1945, that's what we've been building at Cengar. Quality, reliability and durability. Take the JP901. It's small, lightweight and unassuming. But put it in the right hands, it shapes dashboards, it trims panels and delivers engineered precision with every stroke. Then there's the PL905. Pipe, sections, flanges, grating, all in a day's work. Engineered for routine applications with minimal vibration and the flexibility of front or rear trigger. You want balance? That's the CL75, suitable for cutting steel sections and pipe up to 150mm diameter. Freehand or clamped, it gives you clean cuts without compromise. When some jobs are tougher than others, the CS75 offers the solution. Its optimised piston design ensures a perfect balance of power and precision. From time to time, the trusted favourite still proves its worth. The CL50. Simple, solid, and still there because it works. Need more? Step up to the JSZ. It's made for the big stuff. Steel sections and pipe up to 300mm diameter. 2 speeds, auto lube, mount it for precision or use it freehand. If it's on your rig, site or in your workshop, you're covered. Underground? The JSM's got it sorted. All the power of the JSZ, purpose-built for mining. A specialist tool for high-risk environments. At Cengar, we don't compromise on quality or safety. We carry forward a legacy of enduring craftsmanship and reliability, so we continue to strive for excellence and raise the bar to help you succeed. So no, you might not remember every tool, but you'll remember the one that helped you finish the job. That's the one that stays with you. The one with Cengar on it.